Welcome to the Java class. In this video we will discuss radio button in Java. So radio button is used to, you can select only one option from the list among the various elements. Okay, so we can select only one element among the various elements. For example, the quiz, you can select only one option from the among the four. Okay, four choices. Okay, for example, in registration for the gender field, you can only choose one among the two. Either you can choose male or female. Okay, you cannot choose both. Okay, so with radio button in the theme, we can choose only one option among the various. Okay, so compared to the radio button and comparing the radio button with the checkboxes we can select more than one item, whereas the radio button we can select only one option. Okay, today we will discuss about the radio button in Java. Okay, so JRadioButton class is used to create a radio button. It is used to choose one option from the multiple options. It will be used in exam system or quiz. Okay, it is widely used in exam system or quiz. Okay, so I have told you that is if there is one question, there are total four options. You can choose only one option. Okay, you can't choose more than one. Okay, so today we will discuss about the radio button. Okay, so before that we will discuss some common constructors present in the JRadioButton class. First one is JRadioButton. Radio button. Okay, second one is J radio button. I am passing here the string parameter. Third one is J radio button. Two parameters here. First one is string yes and second one is boolean type of data, which is true or false. Boolean yes. Okay, these are commonly used constructors. First one is JRadioButton. Second one is JRadioButton. One passing one parameter, that is string yes. Third one is JRadioButton with two parameters. One is string yes and another one is boolean value, that is t. Okay. So first one is JRadioButton creates unselected. It will create unselected the radio button without any text. There is no text for this radio button because I am just calling the default constructor. I am not passing any text for the same. Okay, it will create unselected radio button without text. Next one is JRadioButton. I am passing a, that is string type of value, means text. I am setting the text to a JRadioButton. Okay, creates a unselected radio button with specified text. Here, first one is it creates the unselected radio button without no text. Here, it's create the unselected radio button with specified text. Next one is it creates, that is the next one, that is JRadioButton. With two parameters. One is string s and boolean value t. Okay, so it creates a radio button with specified text and selected status. Okay, if you false boolean value make false, then it will unselected. If you pass the value true, then it will be selected. Okay. Next is we will discuss some methods. The first method is void set text. Okay, it is used to set the specified text on button. It is used to set a specified text on a button. Next, string get text. It is used to return the text of the button. Okay, it is used to return the text of the button, or it is used to display the text of the button. Next is void enabled boolean value. It is used to enable or disable the button. Okay, it is used to depending upon the value of b here. It is used to enable or disable the button. Next is void set icon. It is used to set the icon for the radio button. It is used to set the specified icon on the button. Okay, so next one is void get icon. It is used to get the icon of the button. It is used to display the icon of the button, that is get icon. Okay, okay, so these are the methods. There are many more, so we will discussing some common methods here. Okay, so these are the constructors and these are the methods. There are many more, so I am going to only the few. Okay, so the constructors are different and methods are different. Okay, now I will move to the programming section. On the notepad. Okay, so here I will import the package, that is the JavaX, because all string related classes will be available in the JavaX package. Okay, how to import? With help of the import here. JavaX package. Inside the JavaX package there is another one sub package that is called as dot. I want to access all classes and its methods available, which are available in the swing package. Okay, I want to access all classes which are available in the swing package. So I am going through the star. If you want to access only a particular class, then just mention the name of the class. Okay, I will create a class. Okay, radio button example. Radio button example. Okay, class opening brace and closing brace. Next, I will create the object of the JFrame class. JFrame F. Okay, so next I will create a constructor, that is radio button example. Okay, inside the radio button I will create a frame, that is JFrame. Next I will create a radio button, that is R1, J radio button. R1 new J radio button. Okay, the text for the radio button R1 I will give a mail. Next one is I will create the another radio button, that is R2, J radio button. R2 radio button. I will give B email. Okay, for first I have given the text, that is mail, and for the B I have given female. That is, first one is R1 radio button, the text is male, and for R2 the text is female. Okay, now I will set the position with help of the set bounds method. Okay, R1 dot set bonds, okay, 75, 50, 100, and okay. Now I will set the position for the R2 with help of the set bound method. Bonds 75, 100, 100, 30. Next I will create a group, button group, with help of the button group class. Button group, that is BG, new button group. Okay, I will add the button group into a frame. So now I will add the R1, R2 into a button group. So how to add? Just R1. So I will add first I will add the R1 and R2 value buttons, R1 radio button into a button group. Okay, so how to add? GB dot add R1, GB dot add R2. Okay, fine. I am just adding this R1 and R2 radio buttons into a button group. Button group is nothing but it contains a group of the radio buttons. Okay, so next I will add the R1 and R2 into a frame with help of the add method. F R1 and F dot add R2. Okay, next I will set the size for the frame. How to set a size? F dot set size 300. Okay, now I will set out, make it null. Dot set layout null. Okay, I will make the visible property too. So I want to show the frame. So I should make it true. Okay, how to make it visible true? With help of the set visible property. I want to show the frame. Okay, suppose if you don't want to show the frame, just make the property false. Okay, so I will show the program. So here class name and file name should be same. Radio button, radio button example dot java. Okay, so click on the now open command prompt. Okay, here a command prompt pointings to a Rahul drive. Just change the directory or folder, change the drive E, because my file is available in the E drive. How to compile the program? Java C radio button example dot Java. Okay, I am getting here that is JFrame. So here I have made a mistake. So JFrame spelling was wrong. So JFrame F. Okay, second error, that is R2 unexpected. Let me check. Here I have forgotten to close this. Okay, now I will recompile the program. Java C radio button example dot Java. Okay, again I am getting error, that is add. I need to add another D. Okay, again I will recompile the program. Now to compile successfully, how to run the program? Java class name radio button example. Okay, so main also no much. Okay, there is no main method. Okay, so I will create a main method public static void main string. Yeah, yes. Without main method we can't execute that. So okay, so just I will call the constructor, that is radio button example. Radio button example. Okay, I have shared program and I will recompile the program. I will just close the command prompt and I will go for the new. Open command prompt, change the drive. How to compile the program? Java C LA radio button example Java. Okay, again. Okay, successfully compiled, and now I will run the program with help of the Java. Radio button class name is radio button example. Okay, see here, it displays the two radio buttons. First one is male and another one is female. So I can only choose here only one. I choose only one. See here, either you can choose a male or you can choose female, but you can't choose both at a time. Okay, so this is about the radio button. Thanks for the listening. Stay home, stay safe.